this
Did they?
all lady.
Now we will do something very interesting. Come with us. After years of dreaming of being here, finally able to come and to make my dream true. Here we are in Uzungöl, one of the most beautiful places in Turkey, if not the most beautiful place in Turkey. The place is really amazing. The lake, mountains, the clouds, how it looks, it's really beautiful. There is no doubt that you must come here. This is the place to go when you come to Turkey. It must be on top of your list. It's not so far from Trabzon, the merkez of Trabzon. If you come to the north of Turkey, this is #1 destination to come. Today the weather is a bit cloudy. We are in the middle of summer. Still, it's like paradise. Here is Jannat. Bu gerçek mi?
Aynen, saçma. 6 mermi, 150 TL.
150 mi?
Aynen. Bu da 30 mermi.
So now we are doing this weapon shooting. I believe this is used for hunting. I used to do this a lot in Egypt when I was younger. Now we are doing like training, shooting the bottles. Let's see if I still have my skills from ex-military. Bismillah. When I was young, my father used to take us and we would go and do hunting for some birds. Here we go. You need to take a deep breath and you should hold your breath, because if you are breathing while shooting, it will be moving and you cannot get it. We pay 100 TL for the training for doing this shooting. 6 ateş mi?
Aynen, bu da 30 ateş.
For 6 bullets, you pay 100, 150, I don't know, it changes maybe sometime according to the season. It's really fun. You need to come here and you need to do it when you come here. I really enjoyed it so much. Memnun oldum. Aside from the beautiful nature and the good places to go out here, there's a lot of shopping areas for the ladies out there. They'll be really happy here. There's a lot of different styles, good things for hijabi and Islamic clothes if you are looking for that jewelry as well. There's the special Turkish jewelry places. There's a lot of beautiful collection here. I'm sure there's a lot of ladies would appreciate the beauty of this more than me. Yeah. Normally they use this for taking pictures for tourists. This is the Turkish delights. Ahlan wa sahlan.
Osmani.
Merhaba.
Merhaba.
This is with the pistachio. It looks really delicious.
Onun yarısını alabilir miyim acaba?
Gerçekten. Hoş bulduk. These are traditional for the Black Sea region. It's like a crown for Turkish ladies. I really love these souvenirs. They look really awesome. I love to collect these. Whenever I go somewhere, I get one of them and put in my fridge to remember the places. Gives me good vibes. Merhaba. A lot of handbags. I know ladies are crazy about that. And look here, this collection of accessories. For taking a photo here with the Ottoman clothing, you pay 300 TL. It looks really beautiful, I believe. If you take a photo here, it would look wonderful, very special. It's like Sultan. So here's the place. It's quite incredible. And this is 𝐸. This is like 𝐷𝐄𝐒 clothing. It's quite interesting. I really like these stuff. You know, brings you completely different era of history, of the great Ottoman Empire history. There's so many activities here, so many places that can sit around in these cafes. You can bring your kids and they can play in like these kids area and there in Uzungöl. So it's fun for everyone here. Taking photos here, it's absolutely beautiful. You feel like it's so much like unreal because of how much beautiful it is. It feels like it's a graphics country. Everything is perfectly laid down, subhanallah. Thank you for joining me in another incredible journey. These videos only made possible by your support. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe and let me know your thoughts about Uzungöl in the comments.